Hello everyone and welcome to Lakeside, and I did say that I would put a video up once I'd got the lift working. Well, I've got the lift working, but I haven't touched the door yet. In fact, I've taken the door off for now so that I can it's more easier with the door off to operate the lift, or to get the lift to work, put it that way, while I was assembling it, than to have the door on. So the door at the moment is off, and this is all proof of concept, okay? So this is not the final workings, but at least it shows you the proof of concept that it does work. So it's not particularly smooth. It's okay-ish, but it's not great, not in my terms anyway. It works, it goes up to the right height, and it comes down without too much of a problem. It's not totally smooth, but I think I can sort that out. I have lubricated the corners of the lift itself, and it's very free. There's no sort of hesitation. What's doing it is the mechanism I've devised at the moment to take the lift up and down. Excuse me. And as you know, I've used a point motor, one of my DCC concept point motors, the IP version, and it's not really meant for this. Now I was trying to do it with the point motor purely because I'm bloody minded. I know that a linear servo would probably work so much better. So now that I've got it out of my system about the point motor, I think what I will do, I'm going to the Great Electric Train Show on Saturday, and I'll have a look around and see if Mega Point controllers are there, or somebody with a linear servo. I don't want really an ordinary servo, because I think that's going to give me the same issues, because it works on a radius and not a linear fashion. So I need a linear one. I've had a look on websites, they are available, so even if I don't get anything at the show, I know where I can get them with a controller. And the controller controls speeds too, so that'll be handy, and hopefully that will make it a nice, neat installation. So there we have it. Tell you what, let's put the bus on and let that trundle round, give it a bit of life as well. There we go, there's the old girl going up the road. So yeah, so it's all operated on my iPad. I've got a switch here, so it's just really a case of touching it, and it goes up, touch it again, and it comes down. So in theory, or in practice, it works. It's just not the neatest of working principles as far as I'm concerned. I want it better than that, and I'm determined that it will be better than that. I just need a bit of time. So there we go, that's the lift done. I'm working on the door, or the theory of the door, and again I will use a linear motor for that too. Sorry, not motor, servo. So I think that's about it for now. Oh dear. Let's just take that off a minute. Talk over that. So if I don't see you before, then I'll see you at the Great Electric Train Show. Hopefully at 12 o'clock, when there's a meet with YouTubers at the Hornby magazine stand. And hopefully I can catch up with a few of you there. Okay, so what's pleased me though about all this is the lift working. It does work to a fashion, but I will improve on that. Don't worry about that. But proof of concept works. While I'm talking about the lift, I have had a couple of comments about wheelchair users. Why, I don't know, but I have. saying that the escalator is not wheelchair friendly, which it isn't. But what people perhaps don't realise is that this is only the first platform, obviously, what you're showing, what I'm showing you here. I haven't discussed really anything what's going over on this platform. So what will happen is that there is obviously an underpass for the escalator, which comes across underneath the tracks and pops up again here on this platform with another escalator. So that takes care of the walkers coming down the stairs as well. The lift, wheelchair users can get in the lift and go down, and nobody knows, I guess, because they wouldn't have asked the questions. But obviously I won't be doing it on the model, but that lift can carry on below platform level to an underpass, which again goes underneath the track and pops up here, because there will be another lift on this platform, not as high as that, nowhere near it. It will be just as high as that there, so it's going to be a small building, so that people can then pop up on this side of the platform in the lift and exit should they need to get to this side of the platform. So hopefully that answers any queries about wheelchair users. I have yet to come across a video on YouTube where somebody has queried somebody's layout, saying about what about wheelchair users, how are you helping them, because most people just have footbridges going across from one platform to another, but nothing is said. I don't know why. I really don't know why. I seem to be picked out on bloody wheelchair users. Yeah, it's all taken care of. Yeah, there you go. Right, so I shall leave it for there. Hopefully you will understand that this is not the finished thing, that I am working on it still, but I won't be doing any more work until I find out more about a linear, I keep wanting to call it a motor, but it's a linear servo, so I can make that work better. Okay, so that's all for now. Hopefully, I just like the way that goes up. It's just different, isn't it? But hopefully that's given you a little bit of enjoyment just seeing that go up and down. It certainly has me anyway. Alright folks, that's it for now. So hopefully I will see some of you on Saturday. If not, then take care, have a great weekend, and I'll speak to you soon. Okay, so bye for now. Bye.